Hello everyone, welcome back to the second, I almost said first then, the second video of the channel. If you haven't watched the video, my first video yet, make sure to go and watch it. It's very, very helpful. It will help you out a lot if you're wanting to make Discord servers for communities and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure to go watch it. It really helps. So last time we went over the channels and how to enable community, the Discord server to a community, and like how to make certain channels like announcements channels and stuff like that. So yeah, that seemed very helpful. So in this video we're going to be going over these things called roles. So as you can see in here, this isn't Discord, it's just a photo I found on the internet. So these here are roles. So roles go from anything from administration to moderation, which just people that help run the server, stuff like that. Well, they go from that to saying what country you're from, what games you play, what role you are in the game, anything, like literally anything you want. Yeah. For instance, these people here have radio, member, veteran, feedback team, developer, moderator, server admin, club captain, and admin. So yeah, and obviously that one there you have to allow everyone. It's automatic. But yeah, so we're going to be going through the rules today. So yeah, let's crack on. So here is the here it is. It's my Discord. It's currently a server that I'm in. So as you can see there in a VC. So in the last video, if I go to the Discord tutorial, like I said, we showed you how to make channels. There's a couple of channels that we made, such as rules and stuff like that, enhancement channels. So yeah, so we're going to go through roles today, like I just said. So as you can see, if I click on my user, it says no roles. If I want to add a role, it says I've got no roles like that or anything. So you want to click here again, go to server settings, go to roles, press create role, and yeah, this is the first role. So this is anything you want, so I'm just going to put it as owner, because I own the server, and then you can set any colour you want. So this is what the colour of the writing is going to be in. I'm going to set it to orange, like that. So once you get a server boost, which I'll be going through them in another video, once you get a server boost, you're able to have stuff like you'll be able to have like pictures in front of them. Also, if you want emojis of them, just press Windows dot, and then you can put any emoji you want. I might put an emoji, but I can't bother actually. So that's orange, and then you can edit the roles for the members in a sec. So display roles separately from members online. So for instance, let me just tick that. I'll go through that in a minute. Let anyone mention this role. I'll go through that in a minute. Just tick it if you want to. It's up to you. Alright, view channels. So the view channels role is you can see any channels like I was going through earlier. So you'd want that if you're in a server. So whoever has that role can view channels. Manage channels. So that's to edit channels and stuff. Anyone that has the owner role, that role there, can edit them. Manage roles. So people can give roles to people if they have this role. Manage emojis and stickers. Anyone that has that role. So if like I said, you don't have to be ticked. It's up to you if you want that role that you've given them to be able to do that. You can have as many roles as you like. I don't think there is a limit. So yeah, view audit log. So audit log, basically, if you go here, you got to press save. Oh, it don't work. So if you go to audit log, basically, it will just say. Let me just turn this off, so you guys can see this. Alright, so if I go to audit log, if I can find it, it's probably right in front of you guys, or me. Where on earth is it? Alright, audit log, okay. Alright, so it basically just tells you, look, everything that's been going on the server. Normally this would be pretty much never ending if you're on a big server. So it just basically says this person done this person done this. So the Fry Brother created channel. It's basically, you can see what people do. So yes, that role there, if I was to click back onto there, it lets them, it basically just lets them look at the audit log. So yeah, you want that for the owner role if you want an owner role. View server insights. So it basically shows the data on community growth. So stuff like how many people are in the server and stuff like that. Manage webhooks. Allows members to create or edit, delete webhooks, which can post messages. I'll be doing another video another time on webhooks eventually. Manage server. So manage server is basically changing the name of the server and stuff like that. Add bots and stuff like that. Create invite. So so you can invite people. So that's a handy one. Change nickname. So in a server, if you want your name to be different, so you'll get your name on Discord. You can set it just for this server different. So you go here. So you go to that there, and you'd press edit server profile, and you can name yourself anything you like. So you can literally name yourself anything you like if you're in this server if you wanted to, just for this server. So if I was to go to another server and then find myself, let's try and find myself. It's gonna be a while because it's a big server. Hurry up. Where am I? Oh, there I am. No, I'm not. Oh, there I am. Look, it just says my normal name. I can also change that in this server, I believe. See, well, no, you can turn that off as well, so people can't randomly change the name. But yeah, that's what that does. So just a quick reminder: if you want to get back to roles, use server settings, roles, then click on the role you want. So yeah, it's basically just permissions and stuff like that. Moderate members and stuff like that. Ban members and kick members. Basically, if you kick them, it will allow them to rejoin if they have an invite or something. Ban members, it won't let them join the server ever again unless you unban them. Moderate member, so you can put people on timeout, mute them and stuff like that. The other stuff is quite self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go for everything, so I'll just be here all day. It just says under here as well, and if you want any more information, search it up on Google or any thing like that. So yeah, so next thing, if I want to give someone the role, you have many ways to do this. You can either right click on their name, go roles, and then normally if there's loads of roles there'll be a list. So for instance, if I was to go to my server here, and if I want to give that guy a role, you go here roles, and look, there's all these roles here, and you would select the one you want. But he doesn't need a role. So yeah, but I want to give myself the owner role, and that what it does, makes my name orange. But basically, so that thing I was going on about earlier with the display me differently thing, look, so if I was online, so if they're normally, so for instance, if there was in my big server here, so if we're all online here, it said if I didn't have that enabled, so if I go here to Kona, it's all separated, look, all neat, so it's all separated, admin and then whoever's been there, blah de blah de blah, it's all separated. Then if I go to and decide to change the roles, if I go to server settings, if I want to suddenly change it, Kona, and then if I turn this off here, save changing, it would take a while, a couple of seconds, because how big the server is, it takes longer. Alright, so is it gonna do it? Hopefully it will do it soon. Right, it's done it. So yeah, look, if I can show you here, look, I'm not separated now, I'm not there at all. I'm all the way down here on online. So it basically just separates them randomly. So it's I prefer to have this on because it shows people when they're offline. But if you don't know, if you don't want it on for certain roles, I can give you an example in a minute. So for instance here, I don't know, warning, strike one and that, you don't want it on because when you give it to them, you don't want it to choose strike one there. So if I wanted to give this random guy, this guy a strike, let's go roles, I'd give him this warning roll. And look, it doesn't show up that he's got a warning on here. It might do actually. No, it doesn't. Look, it doesn't show up that he's got a warning. It literally just shows up here. So if I click on him, it comes with all his roles here. So yeah. The final and last thing I'm going to go through now is if you want to move roles. Actually, let's go back to this server. So, for instance, if I wanted Discord admin to be higher than co-owner, which would never be the case in any server. So if I wanted, where is it, Discord admin. Let's just go on try mod. Alright, if I wanted moderators to be higher than me, if I just simply grab this weird dotted thing here, drag it to where I want to be, and let co-owner, save changes, and then anyone with that role there, there's currently no one with that role, I need to give a random person that role quickly, and that it shows up here where you put it, it will be in a different place. So if you want this and more information, just let me know. Let me just take away this guy's role. Yeah, so yeah, let's put that back, and if you don't want it to be like that, I'll go for it again. You just grab it, where was it there, you just grab the dotted lines and drag it, you keep holding on to it, you just drag it to where you want it to be. Admin, trial mod. Right. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I really hope this helped, and if it has, please let me know in the comments. The next video is going to be about stuff like adding bots and things like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and hope this helped. Thank you, bye.